Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Everyone please recite dua for learning. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum my dear students. How are you? I'm your teacher Ma'am Huma and I'm taking class prep English subject and you are watching English lecture show and tell. What we need for today's lesson: a student book, literacy book with a pencil, sharpener and eraser. Please open student book page number 79. Follow me. Objective of the lesson is to learn about the importance of helping other people. In this page we learned one lesson that we should help each other. If someone is not feeling good, we should always help them to feel better. Student, please open student book page number 79. Follow me. Look at the picture. What is happening in this picture? Can anyone tell me where are the children? What they are doing? Why they are sitting on the stairs? What is the girl sitting down? How does she feel? What's wrong with her? What should the friends do? What can the nurse do to help? For all these questions, we have to read this page. So let's start reading. Look at the speech bubble. What's wrong, Maria? Who is asking? The children, those who are sitting on the stairs, they are asking to this girl, what's wrong, Maria? Maria saying, I am sick. My tummy hurts. Come on, let's go and see the nurse. How do you feel now? Much better. Thanks. Let's read the other lines. If my friends are feeling bad. If I, my friends, friends, friends are feeling, 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 bad. I say, oh dear, what's wrong? Say, O-H-O, D-E-R, dear. What's wrong? W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Question mark. W-H-Y, Y, D-O-Do, Y-O-U, U. Why do you look, look so sad, sad? Why do you look so sad? Let's tell, L-E-T-S, let's, T-E-L-L, tell a grown-up, G-R-O-W-N-U-P, grown-up. I say, you will soon feel better. Then, T-H-E-N, then, W-E-V, can, then we can, go, and, then we go and play, then we go and play. In this page, you can see a nurse. There is a lady who is wearing a white coat and she is holding a thermometer in her hand and she is going to treat this little girl. She is going to help her and then she is going to give her medicine. The little girl is sick. She is feeling pain in her tummy. And what happened? His friends took her to the hospital for the better treatment.
2:34. Listen and chant.
If my friends are feeling bad, I say, oh dear, what's wrong? Why do you look so sad? a grown-up, I say. You'll soon feel better. Then we can go and play.
Two 33. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
What's wrong, Maria?
I'm sick. My tummy hurts. Come on, let's go and see the nurse.
How do you feel now?
Much better, thanks.
Student, please open literacy book, page number 43. Choose 6 words and write. Number 2, play bingo. On this page, digraph or and words are given. Children, please open activity book, page number 43. On the top of the page, write today's date, 18th January 2021. In the middle, write capital H dot capital T and then write spelling of Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, day, Monday. On this page, we can see lots of words. These are the and or words. 2 digraph words are given on this page. Look at the first picture, that is about teacher. Teacher. Look at the next picture, actor. Actor. Doctor. Doctor. Singer. S-I-N-G-E-R. Singer. River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Mirror. Tractor. Tractor. Letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. These are the and or digraph words. What you have to do, you have to choose any 6 words from here and you have to write on the blank spaces. Now everyone take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.